Let's discuss about spatial disorientation. Let's break it down. And let's discuss the inner ear illusions. The lens, you think you're on level, but you're not. Leveling feels like turning. Coriolis illusion. Move your head in a turn, feels like the aircraft is tumbling. Graveyard spin. You exit a turn but feels opposite. You unknowingly re-enter the turn. Somatographic illusion. Accelerating feels like nose up, you push nose down dangerously. Leveling from a climb feels like flipping backward, it's called inversion illusion. Updrafts feels like steep climb and you push nose down, and that is called elevator illusion. And now we've discussed the inner ear illusions, and Tito's advice is rely on the flight instruments because your body will lie to you. And this is your Tito Gab, your Tito in the cockpit, and follow for part 2.